I know this is a strange tip and tools to show, but get yourself a pencil sharpener. I know people have these pencil sharpeners made of plastic these days, but this old one, this thing has probably been over 50 years old. These good old metal ones. So this pencil sharpener is a good thing to have. Well, this is the back half of the Central Warehouse Company. I built both doors. This has V-groove and this is a plain panel door. I added all the framing and everything. Main thing I'm only going to show you on this is the how easy it is to put one of these things together, how to scratch build a plastic thing. It's not that hard for you to do to get some plastic, and let's work on something this simple. Even you can actually make these doors pretty simple. It's not that hard. These styrene sheets and strips are pretty easy to buy, and you get them most hobby stores. Here's the front section of the building. This part right here you won't see it at all because it'll be back with the other section. I put a plain panel door on this. You can see the 3 window frames I built. They're pretty simple. If you look at the other video, you can see how to build. I use the also used for the lower half or the window or the lower half of the windowsill. Use a 1mm piece here, the same as the window frame itself. Here's another tip for you. Look at this roll of paper. Now you go to these auto shops and you see them use masking paper like this. This is good to get to buy. You always want to keep a clean work surface on your table and everything. This paper right here, I got this from auto shop. This thing will last for years. You just take it and throw it and pull off sheets and throw it away. You see how tall it is. So this is a good tip. You just always have to buy one. You always have a clean surface. You don't want to use newspapers. You don't want to get with the papers and inks and the glues. You have that newspaper ink all over your model, your things that you're working on. I've seen the different work surfaces people are using on YouTube, but having something clean sheets all the time is perfect to have. Here's a surface is good to work with. My father been using this piece of granite. This granite is a floor piece. It actually came from the Kansas City, Missouri Union Station. This is a good surface to work with. And you can find a larger pieces than this. My father does all these chop powder stuff over here is where my father working on his leather goods where I'm showing you what I'm gonna use it for. I don't keep my things level. Here's my miter box. I'll show you what I'm gonna use this granite for in this miter box. I use it to glue with to hold my pieces square. I just put one section here. The other section that you want to put together, just put it right here. And run your glue bead straight down this side here. Inside, just run your glue bead. Take your little engineering square. It's right up against there. And hold it up. That's all you have to do. Okay, one thing, this is a machinist square. A couple other things you need. These triangles. These are 30-60 30s. This a little bit right here. This one is a little bit more expensive. This has a metal edge to it and measurements. This is some of the things you need. I use for scratch building with, both wood and plastic and metal. This is the metal edge here. There you have your front section and our back section. And go to the other side of it. I'm going to be raising this one up a little bit higher than this. The platform would be here. I'll have steps that will come down this side here. This building is pretty easy to build for your first scratch building. Just get your model railroad or craftsman and look up a building. This is batten board, plastic struck, and evergreen scale models. They have all the parts that you need. I showed you how to build that window. It's pretty simple to first this type of window to make using a strip styrene.